Ay, nagpapabeauty pa si Mami. Huli sa
Parang,
camera.
parang baliw lang, oh.
Oo.
Bella.
Ala.
Oh,
Ay. Bella baby.
hindi ka naman doon nakatingin, Bella.
Hey, look at the camera, Ara. Where I go, you're looking at the camera. Okay. Ay. Ha?
Hi ka mo, hi. Kita dimples mo. Ano ba kinakain mo, Bella? Ano yan? Pengi nga kami.
Ah?
Pengi kami nung kinakain mo, Bella.
Ano yun,
Ah, pengi kami.
Ay.
Hmm.
Ay. Ay. Talil ko na, baby. Ina, Ara. Ara, baby.
Oo.
Hello, Ara, baby. Come on. Bako na nga rin, baby. Baby na, ang baby. Dadaldal ko kanina eh.
Kanina, ang daldal mo eh. Bakit ngayon?
Ayun, yes.
Ang ganun gusto. Ano ba ibig sabihin nun?
Gusto mo yung pagdadaldal. Ang galing ah. Hinaan mo lang yun sa'yo. Para din yung bigyan. Hinaan mo yun sa'yo. Para kasama. Ano gusto mo sabihin na? What do you wanna say? What do you wanna say, Ara? Ayun na. Nasa mood siya ga. Hinaan mo yun sa'yo. Ay. Daddy, say daddy. Ay. Say daddy, Ara. Ara. Say daddy. Daddy.
Mga tayong hunggo.
Ara, say daddy. Daddy. Or mommy. Hello. Hello, come on.
Bata ibon.
Ara, say daddy, sir, mommy. Come
Daddy daw. Mama.
on. Okay.
Ay.
Come on.
Say it. Mama.
Or daddy. What's your first word? Wait. What's your
Say
first?
it. Mama.
Ayun. Ay, ang daldal ng baby.
Pag ganitong pwesto kanina, nakaganon na ako. Pakadaldal.
Daldal ng baby. Daldal ng baby.
Parang lingwahe nila yung
Hindi. May baby.
no.
Ara.
Bella.
Come on. Ara. Come on, Ara.
Mama mo lakrin.
What do you wanna say to our supporters, Ara? What do you wanna say to our supporters? Anything you want to say with them, Ara?
Ay, naantok ng baby.
Ara, what do you wanna say to our supporters? You're jabbing mom, daddy, Ara.
Boxer ka na ba ngayon? Bella?
Ang baby namin. Ang baby namin.
Pengi ako nung kinakain mo,
Ang
Bella.
baby namin. Ang ganda ng baby namin.
Bella, pengi ako nung kinakain.
Guys, we are inside the room, guys, because all our
All our sofa set.
all our sofa, guys, is already hanging. Yeah. I put the footstool, guys, so just in case water get inside, they're not going to
welcome the flood.
get wet, guys. Yeah. So we're all here. It's mommy, it's daddy, and the special honorable mention from the Philippines, the land of Crocs. Ay, the country of Crocs. Crocs Kodal. Yeah. Ay, siya. Ano na.
Hi, nag-hi? Ano ba yun? Hi ba yun, Bella?
What are you saying? Hi, Ara? Oy. Okay. I think it's a good...
Game like,
This is the good result, guys, of the typhoon, guys. We have time, we have time, yeah, bonding together, mommy, daddy, and Ara. So, because, huh? Oh, oh, what do you wanna say, Ara? And our baby Ara is so talkative, guys. Look. Ah, 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 ah. What do you wanna say, Ara? Anything you wanna say with our viewers, Ara? Huh? What did you say? By the way, guys, Ara is only 2 months and 2 weeks. 2 months and 2 weeks old baby Ara, guys. Yeah. Daddy already avoiding to kiss Ara. Daddy is already controlling himself to kiss Ara because they said that it's not good for the baby being kissed, guys. So daddy will just do it like this.
So, mommy, yung kiss na lang si mommy.
Daddy will going to kiss mommy daw. Okay. Yes. Okay.
Oh, diba? Oh!
Come on. Baby Ara is in the mood, guys. Gossiping. Ay. I think baby Ara is the earliest baby to talk, guys. I feel that, yeah. You'll get updated, guys, to her first word. And the first baby to talk fluently, guys. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay, this is the good result of the typhoon, guys. We're all here inside the room, guys. Yeah. But if there's no bad weather situation, guys.
Mo si daddy,
Mommy is here. Daddy and Ara is in the sala. Yeah. Look our sala, guys. Look. Ay, ayaw mabaliktad la. Ayaw nga, pinindot ko. Guys, this is how the sala looks like, guys. Yes. Yeah. Ready for the visitor, guys. And I hope the visitor will not get inside. Okay. Yeah. This is how messy, right? Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay.
Masarap yan, masarap. Pengi ako, ano lasa mo?
Hey. Okay. Okay, just mommy. Mommy and Ara.
Oh, yung paan niya.
Okay.
Oh, ano lasa niyan, Bella, ha?
Yes. It's mommy, Ara.
Picture.
No,
Take a photo.
you're on camera, mommy, Ara. Yes. I think I better position my sabi na just
Bella, ano lasa niyan, Bella, ha?
okay. Yes. Okay. It's mommy. It's daddy. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Look.
Hi.
Hi din daw. Hi.
Hi, say hi. Ara.
Say hi.
Come on. Oh, we have the same hair. Ara. Oh. Okay.
Oh, hi. Hi, guys.
Hi, come on, say.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello, guys. Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Okay.
Ay.
Okay.
It's okay to be okay. Oh, Bella. Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. 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 Ara is already getting.
Tired na.
I think Ara is getting irritated already. Okay, bye guys. Okay. Are you irritated, Ara, or? She's outed. She's mad already, guys. She's mad already. Okay, okay guys, okay.
Naninigaw na. Oh, sige,
Okay
sige,
guys,
sige.
bye-bye.
Oh, sige, sige.